In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom data in Azure OpenAI to Microsoft Copilot Studio so your chatbot can give accurate answers based on your business documents. We'll go from preparing your data in Azure OpenAI Studio all the way to publishing a Copilot that can answer questions using your organization's own content. The process is straightforward, but it helps to move carefully so each connection is set up correctly. First, open Azure OpenAI Studio. Select the deployment model you want to use, then go to the Add Your Data area. This is where you prepare the knowledge source your Copilot will rely on. Make sure the correct model deployment is selected before you continue, since your later configuration will reference it. Next, connect your enterprise data source. Choose the source that fits your setup, such as Azure Blob Storage or Azure AI Search. Upload your files if needed, then create an index. That index is what allows the system to search your business documents efficiently and return relevant information during conversations. Depending on the size of your content, indexing may take a little time, so wait until that process is complete before moving on. Once your data has been indexed, go to the deployment settings and copy the connection details you'll need later. This includes the endpoint URL, the API key, and the search index name. Handle these credentials carefully and avoid exposing them outside your secure environment. Now switch over to Microsoft Copilot Studio and create a new Copilot. Select New Copilot, give it a clear name, and choose the primary language. Picking the right language here helps ensure the responses are generated in the way you expect for your users. After that, open the Topics menu, go into System Topics, and select the Conversational Boosting topic. Inside that topic, find the Create Generative Answers node, open its Properties panel, and choose Azure OpenAI Service as the data source. This is the key step that connects your Copilot's answer generation to your indexed business content. In the connection fields, paste in your Azure OpenAI endpoint URL API key, deployment name, and search index name. Double check each value as you enter it because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. When that's done, save your changes and start testing. Use the test pane on the left to ask questions related to the documents you uploaded. This is where you confirm whether the Copilot is retrieving the right information and responding accurately. Once you're happy with the results, click Publish to deploy your Copilot to the channels you want, such as Microsoft Teams or a website. At that point, your custom Copilot is ready to provide intelligent answers using your own organizational data.